Guten Morgen. Das hier ist Red Dead Redemption 2, das erste Kapitel. Ich habe jetzt mal das Intro aus dem übersprungen. Ganz eigentlich genau zu dem Punkt da, wo es mit der ersten Mission losgeht und ich selber etwas machen kann. Es wird sich auch irgendwie so ein bisschen um ein Tutorial handeln.
Bridge coming up. Take it easy. Ah, what are you doing?
Brücke. Mach mal, sende mal einen Gold. Zu dem Teil nachher reiteln.
Right next to me, son. Don't want to lose you.
Ja,
Can't believe we lost Davy too. He's the last one, Arthur. No more. We need to get those people warm and fed.
At least we don't need to worry about Pinkertons tailing us in this.
A couple more days, we'll be on the other side. You need to help me pick the others back up.
Ja,
You're
das
the
ist gut.
only one I can rely on to stay strong right now.
Bin ich da
Wait.
auf der,
Is that someone coming towards us?
bin ich da auf der Straße? Zwischensequenz.
You up ahead. Who's there? Whoa. Micah.
Gentlemen,
Found anything?
I think so. Found a little homestead down that way.
Okay. Anyone home?
Sure. Place is blazing with light and noise. Sounded like a party.
Let's go see.
Follow me. How's Davy doing?
He didn't make it. Nor did little Jenny.
That's too bad. Davy was a real fighter. Over
Oh,
them
yeah.
Calendar boys is, or was.
Yeah,
And Mac, Sean,
we don't know.
quite a business. Yeah.
I'm glad you're all right, Micah.
Ich bin mit Straße verlassen.
Ask him if he's seen John.
Hey, have you seen John, Micah?
Didn't see much of anything once this storm came in.
He hasn't seen him.
He'll be fine. Things always turn out right for that boy.
Lauteren
I
afhängen.
hope Mac and Sean are still out there somewhere, too. Hey, Arthur, let me take the rear. You move up. Oh?
Okay, Muskelführer, das ist das Ziel. Max. Ich muss wieder müssen. Hopp. Du werden wohl viel te viel. Schön, dass wir hier haben wir absolut keine Spuren an. Das ist eine Abkürzung.
Okay, let's keep it down now, gentlemen. It's
Gleich.
just up ahead.
Snuff and stash those lanterns, boys. Best you two lie low on this. Hold. Okay. Let's head down there.
Komm. Nicht abstürzen, wir gehen rüber. Deine Gesundheit, ja, der geht's gut. es eigentlich kalt oder das habe ich.
Let's hitch up here.
Wo ist her? Da haben wir den Posten. E gedrückt halten, um dort anzubinden. Okay. Ist es jetzt
Let me
abgebunden?
do the talking.
Okay.
We don't want to scare these folks.
Folge Dutsch. Jetzt keine Ahnung, weil das Dutsch ist.
Someone's having fun in there.
Ah, Dutsch ist auch der Vorderhand, gelb.
You two, get yourself out of sight. One lonely man is a lot less intimidating than three nasty-looking degenerates. Arthur, in that cattle shed on the left. Micah, get down behind that wagon and
Ich gehe hinter den Wagen. Also, bin ich der Wagen? Nein.
Arthur, what are you doing? I said get out of sight.
Ja, ist gut. Cool. GB, dich zum Schuppen. Okay.
Hello?
Shut up, Billy.
Excuse me? Hello? Oh, well, hello, friend.
What you want?
I am very sorry to disturb you. My friends and I, well, we got into some trouble up the way, lost in the storm. Ah, gentlemen,
We can't help you, mister.
I got folks
Arthur,
dying on the
Arthur,
trail.
we got a problem. There's a corpse right here.
Now, I just
Arthur,
need some
there's a body
cans of food
in the
or
wagon.
something.
Beschütze Dutsch. Okay.
Keep your eyes on Dutch. Please.
I think you should go now, buddy.
Tab und das Waffenrad. Pistole, ja.
Now, friend, I ain't asking for much. Please, I am kind of desperate.
Hey, I don't believe it. Come here, partner. Come here. It's got. Look out! There's more to bastard! They meant someone I couldn't. You sons of bitches!
Dat is alleen, hè.
We've got a runner! See him, Arthur?
He won't last out there by himself. That's my boy, Arthur. Good shooting. Goddamn,
Kijk eens.
Driscoll boys here. Why?
I don't know. Maybe same reason as us.
Micah, go bring the horses closer to the house. Arthur, let's go search the cabin.
Muss ich gerade Wasser richten? Da bin ich. Ja.
Smells like a party in here. Turn the place upside down. Grab as many supplies as you can. We need the
Oh, het is
essentials.
op haar. Moet ik
Food,
drukken.
medicine, whiskey.
Oh, standsdruk.
I'm starving. You should eat something now. Get your strength up for the ride back.
Wieder een tasje te öffnen. Eins von drei. Muss ich das essen? Oder? Okay.
O'Driscoll's. I don't believe it. It's a strange one, all right.
Nee.
Maybe they're hiding up here, too. There's a big price on Colm O'Driscoll's head. Nearly as big as the one on yours.
Wanting Colm dead is about the only thing me and Uncle Sam agree on.
Okay. Welche Sachen genommen? Oh, hier ist schon wieder etwas. Her.
Place is dry and warm. We could maybe move the women and Jack down here.
Maybe. We'll see how they are when we get back.
Franklins. Nou, eigenlijk wel tof. Untersuchen. Wo?
Big old pool of blood on the floor here.
I saw.
Probably the poor bastard who lived here. Micah found a dead body in the wagon outside.
I'm going to start packing the horses. You keep looking.
Ja, ist gut. Da noch hoch sicher. Ne?
Grab anything you think we can use, then meet me out here.
Fertig, nichts mehr da. Also, das war es auch gewesen da. Jetzt gibst du wieder die Liter ab. Gut, hast du es gemacht. Oder hinten schauen. Nehmen, ja, nehmen wir. Nehmen wir einfach alles noch hin, oder? Karte untersuchen, I. Weglegen. Größer. Also. Keine Tasche. Ah. Gut. So geht es. Untersuchen.
Poor bastard was married too.
Interessiert mich nicht. Ah, da kann man noch etwas nehmen. So. Gut, haben wir alles.
What are you doing in there,
Ja,
Arthur?
ich komme.
Micah, Arthur, keep looking for stuff.
Das kann ich aber.
Arthur, go see if there's anything in that barn. Micah, you search the cabin, see what we missed.
Sure.
Untersuch die Scheune. Da, jetzt Achtung. Was ist die Scheune? Ist es das da? Think out. Das sind wir Rössli. Das ist gut, dass ich die Rössli hat. So wild und so gut machen, Säcke. Schön, Tür öffnen. Hoppla, was ist jetzt abpassen?
Well, he started it.
I'm gonna break your neck!
What's going on?
This guy just jumped me.
Oh, did he now?
Sneaky little
Bänke.
bastard. Should I kill him?
No. Not yet. Find out what they're doing here and where
Oh.
Colm is.
Oh, this son of a bitch will talk.
Schlagen, ja, ja.
Where's Colm O'Driscoll?
With the others. At an old mining camp southwest of here. Near the lake.
What are you bastards doing? Why are you up here?
We're fixing to rob some train. Gonna blow the tracks. I don't know more than that, I swear.
Well, I would say it looks like you have this, Arthur. Do what you want with him. I don't care. But bring that horse when you're done. Oh.
I don't know anything else.
Ah, erwürgen. Du bist schließlich ein Böse, oder? Also das Ross haben und eine Waffe. Ah. Ist mir die Boden gefallen. Top. Heb deinen Hut auf. Kannst du mir auch Boden gefallen? Wo ist er denn? Ah, da. Jetzt habe ich Verbundenheit erreicht. Führen. Okay. Führe das Pferd zum anderen Botten. Okay, das schaffen wir alle.
Is that bastard still in there?
He's dealt with.
Good. That looks like a decent horse. You should keep him. Get that horse hitched. Don't want him bolting.
Micah, what the hell do you think you're doing?
Oh, Driscoll, bitch!
Oh, look what I found in the cellar. Wild thing, ain't ya?
Leave her alone.
I wasn't doing nothing. She's one of them O'Driscolls.
No, she ain't, Michael. Look at her. Miss. Are you...
Oh, you fool! Micah!
Miss. Now, it is gonna be okay. We mean you no harm. Miss. Come on. It'll be okay. We need to get out of here, and quick. Come on now. Oh. You okay, miss?
They came 3 days ago. And my husband, they...
Okay. Miss, you are safe now. And you can't stay here. You come with us. Arthur.
Miss, it's okay. We're bad men. We ain't them. It's okay. Get on. We'll keep you safe until you figure out what you want to do.
What's your name, miss? Miss.
Adler.
Adler. Okay.
Sadie Adler. Mrs. He was my husband.
Nee, is gelijk dood.
Hey! Somebody's coming! Looks like it's Dutch. Hey, everybody, Dutch is back! How'd you get on?
Micah found a homestead, but he weren't the first. Colm O'Driscoll and his scum, they beat us to it. We found some of them there, but there is more about, apparently. Scouting the train. Thank you.
That's the last thing we need right now, Dutch.
Well, it is what it is. But we found some supplies, some blankets, a little bit of food, and this poor soul, Mrs. Adler, Miss Tilly, Miss Karen, would you warm her up? Give her a drink or something? And Mrs. Adler, it's gonna be okay. You're safe now. They turned her into a widow. Animals. I need some rest. I haven't slept in 3 days.
You're over here. Miss O'Shea will show you the way. Mr. Morgan, we put you in a room over here.
Thank you, Miss Grimshaw.
Mr. Bell, you're with the fellas over there.
What? How come Arthur gets a room and I get a bunk bed next to Bill Williamson and a bunch of darkies?
Get yourself to bed.
Ai, ai, ai. Och jetzt?
Come on. Give a fella a nickel. Give me a dime. Give me something.
Ah. Jetzt habe ich das erste Kapitel nochmal gespielt. Und jetzt bin ich wieder dort, wo ich vorher gestartet habe. Okay. Dann machen wir doch das Video hier fertig. Merci vielmals fürs Zuschauen.
Fella.